Unit 2, sum number 12. From the following particulars, show how the item subscription will appear in the income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2018. Subscription received 2018 50,000, which include 5,000 for 2017 and rupees 7,000 for 2019. இந்த ரெண்டு அமௌண்ட்டையும் நம்ம சப்ஸ்கிரிப்ஷனோட லெஸ் பண்ணி காட்டணும். சப்ஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் அவுட்ஸ்டாண்டிங் ஃபார் த இயர் 2018 rupees 6,000 and the subscription of 4,000 was received in advance 2018 in the year 2017. The outstanding the advance received in 2018 in the year of 2017. இதை ஆட் பண்ணி நம்ம காட்டணும். இப்போ சம் பார்க்கலாம். Sum number 12, income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2018. Income side and expenditure end இருக்கும். Income side is the data side. Subscription received during the year 50,000 less subscription received for 2017 5,000. The 50,000 left 5,000 page na balance 45,000 less subscription received for 2019 7,000. The 45,000 less 7,000 subtract பண்ணம்னா answer is 38,000. அதில் add outstanding the due for the 2018 amount 6,000. 38,000 less 6,000 add பண்ணா 44,000 வரும். அதில் add received in advance the year 2017 to 18 4,000. The 44,000 plus 4,000 add பண்ணம்னா 48,000 வரும். இந்த sum இதோட முடியுது. Thank you.